So, what's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Say, hell yeah. Alright, Gia, what's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Wingstop.
What's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Wingstop.
Oh, hell no. What's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Wingstop.
Nah, y'all are delusional. They're delusional. They're in delusion. What's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Wingstop.
You're living in denial, bro. Alright. What's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Wingstop.
Nah, man, they're lying to me. They're lying on the camera. Well, what's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Wingstop for
Nah,
sure.
bro. See, that's where they're getting it from. What's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Wingstop.
Wingstop.
It's trash.
Wingstop
Nah,
all
it's
the
actually
way.
good, but I don't prefer it.
Wingstop all the way. Wingstop's just better.
I'll drink the Wingstop ranch.
It's true.
I don't know about
Yo.
I'm just
Nah.
We'll drink the Buffalo Wild Wing ranch.
It's true. What's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
My wings, my homemade wings. Girl, you know that too. Yeah,
No, for real though, for real.
Wingstop.
She can't cook.
No, it depends on the flavor. Wingstop. Wingstop's good.
Don't get technical. You're
Nah,
taking
just
Wingstop or
answer the
Buffalo.
Wingstop
question.
is good, but Buffalo for one thing. Yeah, it's for the boneless. For the boneless,
Hey.
habanero.
Those are bomb.
Those are bomb.
Those are bomb.
Those are bomb.
Nah, you're lame. You're lame.
Spicy.
So Buffalo?
So Buffalo?
Not for kids. Why you guys go there?
So Buffalo?
Yeah, why you go there? No, I'll go for
What do you go there for,
Ah,
DJ?
she said
The ranch is
Wingstop.
bomb at Wingstop.
So do you like Wingstop?
Heck yes. Wingstop should sponsor us because we buy like there from like 10 times a month.
Dang. Really?
It wasn't even on.
Oh, it's off. Oh, you turned it off. Caleb and Uriel, what's better, Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings?
Buffalo Wild Wings. Wingstop. Buffalo Wild Wings.
That's right, huh? Yeah, that's right.
What is? Sissy also fell, bro. I saw Sissy fall. You guys did fall? Yeah, me and Sissy fell. That wave took our leg. Bro, that thing took my leg.
Huh?
You're never gonna do it?
Nah. Whatever.
Sissy, stop!
I don't know if you can eat those.
Yeah, you can eat those.
Put it in your
What
mouth.
is that?
eat it.
What is that?
Shit.
What is it?
They dig in the sand though, like you put them right there in the water.
Baby, that.
They dig. Cómetelo, tío. You go put them back in the water. Oh, he has eggs.
No way.
She has eggs. The orange. Look it. She has eggs. Look it.
It's cool. Hey, busca, look it up, see what it is. Peter, what do you want to say, Peter?
Nothing right here, enjoying family, chilling with my cousins, the swag master, you know, living the dream, living the American dream. Interesting.
We're at the beach right now. It's not even cold at all. What do you want to say?
Guys, I splashed too many people today.
Oh, there were some people taking pictures and she splashed them. Some girl.
Como 12, 14,000.
I saw Steven swimming all the way out there. All the way out there.
Where's my money? I have your nephew. I have your cousin. I have your cousin, David. I'm about to kill his ass right I'm not playing around.
Come on, PG, don't let him do that to you. Don't let him do that to you. Get back in the ring. Ah, yeah. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Put that pressure. Right there, right there, right there, right there.
No, it's not right there. That's inside.
So going back. Forget that.
Put pressure, put pressure. Oh shit.
Hey, bro.
He dropped the drink.
Drink.
He was trying to get a drink mid-fight. Do a jab, do a jab.
David did the opposite.
Oh.
He told him not to. I just saw him go.
What are y'all doing? Myra. Look at them. Hey, David. What's up? Next round?
Okay, guys, yeah.
I'm giving up now.
Oh.
Yeah. Good job.
Hey, let me get
No,
up.
Peter's pants are saggy.
Bro, my pants.
Oh, come on, do more of those. But not too crazy. You're gonna lose your hand up.
Would you get some tomorrow, David?
They're in your room. I'll show you. Watch. Wait, bro, hold on. Come on, throw you one out the banger. Oh, he's going out the banger.
Just if somebody comes, drop him.
Get on the grass. One time I... 45 seconds.
Hey,
40 seconds.
come on. I told you not to do it like that.
Yummy.
Come on.
Baby Josh on the left there versus Peter. Oh, watch out, baby Josh, watch out. Watch out, watch out. Go for the body. Oh, really? Oh, dang. Oh, shit. He is bleeding. Oh, shit. Damn. That's crazy.
Why are you using down your gloves? You're nasty.
Fuck. Fuck, bro.
It always bleeds.
That's crazy.
Oh, heck no.
It always bleeds. You're nasty for putting on your gloves.
Oh, no, your gloves. You gotta clean your gloves out now, bro.
Go, sissy, go, sissy, go, sissy, go, sissy, go, sissy.
Watch out, watch out.
Go, sissy, go, sissy. Hold on, look at that.
Oh,
Yes, I knocked him down.
unarmed.
Go,
Oh,
sissy,
snap.
go, sissy.
Watch out there, anything.
Go, sissy, go, sissy.
Watch out with your foot, baby Josh.
Watch the fight.
Oh, shit. Baby Josh, come on, baby Josh.
The fight's over. We wanna do it again.
Watch out with your foot, PJ. This is round 2. Well, still round 1, but the other one didn't count. Oh. Well, it did count, but it ended quickly. Abruptly. Oh.
Hey, you're strong.
Come on, throw a jab, throw a jab. Oh.
Alright.
Dang, baby Josh felt that one, huh? Look, Gio's right there all watching.
Go to that side. No, ain't no side, bro.
Go. Nah, I didn't bring him right now.
Hey, I want to box Joshua after.
Oh, bro, you're done for.
He's getting worked by Joshua, you got worked by him.
For real. But different styles sometimes matters. Oh, snap. Sometimes. I don't know about this one, though. Come on, baby Josh.
Give him water.
Alright, go for it. Oh, watch out, baby Josh, watch out. He's taking you out of bounds, bro, out the ring. Oh. You're open, PJ, you're open.
What do you mean? Stop.
Oh, snap. It's all peaceful on one side, and then next thing you know, violence. Watch out, DJ, you're gonna get hit on too. Let him go. Let him get back in. Let him get back in. It's just like that moment, like let him up, let him out, let him back up. Let him back up. Oh, dang, bro. The graduates fighting. Oh shit. Oh, yo, baby Josh, don't let him do that to you. Oh, hey, chill, chill, chill. Oh shit, chill. Yo, you good, bro?
Yeah.
You good, bro?
Yeah.
Shit.
I'm just thirsty as fuck.